Hey there stargazers. Today we are taking a closer look at the ArtCreativity telescope for starters. If you've got a young astronomer in the making, this telescope set is the perfect gift to ignite their passion for the stars. This complete set includes a telescope, 3 magnification lenses, 20x, 30x, 40x, a diagonal mirror, and a tabletop tripod stand for a steady image while exploring the skies. It's quick and easy to set up, with simple controls that move the scope slowly so that kids can operate it easily. Not only is this telescope fun to use, but it's also a fantastic teaching aid. It produces clear images to act as an educational toy for starters, giving them a head start when it comes to identifying stars and constellations. Plus, it's a great way to get them off the screens and into the great outdoors. If you're on the hunt for the perfect gift for a young stargazer, look no further. This telescope set is a great birthday or holiday gift idea that will provide endless hours of fun and learning. Plus, you can buy with confidence knowing that we have your back. If you're not satisfied with our product, we'll send you a replacement or issue a full refund. So what are you waiting for? Click the link in the description and add the ArtCreativity telescope for starters to your cart. Let's make that kiddo's day and ignite their love for the stars.